Welcome Milano family to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We're going to be going simple today because it's hot outside. So we're going to be making these delicious croissant sandwiches. Scrumdiddlyumptious, not boring whatsoever. We also, just to have a little side something, did a little standard onion ring. Well, watch this. Fun lunch. It took a couple of minutes, and you stay tuned for another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Pop into the showroom, or we will see you real soon.